So at the end of round 4, Osei Churchway Senior High School, 20 points. Apam Senior High, 33 points. Adisadel College, 33 points. We move to round 5. Round 5. Yes. Okay. Round 5, the riddles round. I'll be reading clues to one particular thing. One particular thing. No ambiguity. And you can stop me at any time by ringing your bell. If you give a correct answer on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Any other number of clues there after, 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, you have to wait for us to move to the next riddle before you join us. Okay? Riddle number 1. I am an inorganic salt of a transition metal. I am commonly used in agriculture as a fungicide. I am a white crystalline solid in my anhydrous form. I turn blue when in contact with water. Apam Senior High.
Copper chloride.
Incorrect. I continue. As such, I am commonly used as a test for water. Yes, at Adisadel College.
We have copper 2 sulfate.
Yes.
That's a time or the kind.
Next riddle. I am a transport process. I am an energy transfer process. I involve diffusion. I am
active transport.
No. I am one of the ways in which heat transfer occurs. I am also the means of charge transport in a metal. Who? Apam Senior High.
Conduction.
Yes. 3 points. Next riddle. I am a type of white blood cells. We are the least common types.
Basophils.
Yes. Yes. I was on the second clue, 4 points. The last riddle. The last riddle. I am a 2-digit number. I am an odd number. Yes.
81.
No. I am an odd number. I am a square. Yes, Apam.
25.
No. Osei. Yes, it's 49. And that ends round 5. At the end of the contest, this has been a very competitive contest. Osei Senior High School had 23 points. Adisadel College, 36 points. Apam Senior High School, 40 points. Adisadel College and Richesht Senior High. Unfortunately, the journey ends for you here. Hopefully, next year, we will see a comeback. Apam Senior High, congratulations for winning this contest and qualifying for the quarter-final stage.